In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop or edit a recurring investment on Robinhood. Whether you want to change the amount you're investing, adjust how often the investment happens, switch the stock or ETF you're investing in, or simply stop the recurring transfer altogether. This step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. First, you'll want to start by opening the Robinhood app on your smartphone or by visiting the Robinhood website from your computer. Once you get to the login screen, simply enter your credentials to access your account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can see your portfolio, account value, and any recent activity. Next, to manage your investments, look for the account option. On the app, this is typically found at the bottom right corner, often represented by a little person icon. On the website, you'll find account in the upper right-hand area. Give that a tap or a click, and you'll enter the section where all your account details are stored. Within your account, you'll see different options. For this task, you want to select Investing. This will open up a range of investing tools and settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Recurring Investments. This is where Robinhood lists any investments that you have set up to happen automatically on a regular basis. If you don't see any recurring investments listed, don't worry. That simply means you don't currently have any active recurring investments on your account. So there's nothing you need to do at this point. If you do have one or more recurring investments set up, they'll be listed here. Find the specific recurring investment you want to manage and select it. This will open a detailed page showing all the key details, such as the stock or ETF you're investing in, the amount, and how often the investment is made. Now, if you'd like to make changes instead of cancelling, look for the Edit option next to that investment. When you tap or click Edit, you'll be able to adjust the amount you're investing. Choose a different frequency, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, or even switch to a different stock or ETF entirely. Make your changes, double-check everything, and then save your updates. But if you're looking to stop the recurring investment completely, it's just as easy. Look for the option labeled Cancel or Stop Recurring Investment. Select that and you'll typically be prompted to confirm your choice to make sure you're sure about ending the automated investment. Go ahead and confirm, and Robinhood will take care of the rest. And that's all it takes to either change or stop a recurring investment on Robinhood. It's a quick process, but it gives you complete control over your investing schedule. Remember that changes or cancellations take effect immediately for any future scheduled investments. So keep that in mind as you manage your finances. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you take charge of your investing goals.